Are you tired of being stuck with watermarked images? Well, get ready to say goodbye to those pesky watermarks and unlock the full potential of your pictures. Watermarks can be annoying when you want to use or share an image, but don't worry, we've got you covered. In today's video, we'll show you how to remove watermarks from pictures for free. Get ready to convert any watermark image from this to this, or this to this, or this to this. First of all, open your web browser and search for watermarkremover.io. Or you can also click on the link in the description. Once you open watermarkremover.io, click on the Upload Image button on the screen. Click on it and add the image you want to remove the watermark from. After choosing the image, submit it. After processing, you can see the before and after results of the selected image. You can download the watermark-free image to your computer or device for free. To download the image, click on the Download Image button. There you go. You can effortlessly remove the watermark from the image with these simple steps. Removing watermarks from images doesn't have to be a hassle. That's it for today's tutorial on how to remove watermarks from pictures for free. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips. Feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.